Alright, y'all, so I'm really going from a previous style, and here's my leave out. You know, it's the smallest amount of leave out, literally the smallest amount. My hair is like this because I wand curled it last time. Everything is cool. This part frizzed up a little bit when I was outside earlier, but yeah, this is where we at with it. So let's put this on. This half wig is part of my 10-minute wig install. Like I said, half wig, ain't nothing to it, baby. It's 10:14, so let's put this bad boy on. Put it on from the back. I will go ahead and tighten my adjustable drawstring in the back and tuck that string. Baby, within seconds. So now let's just take the combs that is in the wig. Maybe I'll pull it over this way this time. Just run my fingers through the curls. I think I want it coming over this way or still this way. Or not pulled over anyway. Let's just push it back, actually. So what I'm going to do is just spray my leave out and then take the end of my comb and just kind of rake it in between the curls. That's it. Just do this to push it in between the curls. I'm using the end part of my comb, and it just helps, honey. I don't know. Okay, it's 10:21, and I do feel like for this style I want to just swoop some of my hair, take some of my gummy edge control. I see, like, it looks good like this. It's not too bad, but yeah, we're gonna add a little bit of this. Whew, this is a lot of hair. 26 inches of pure curly goodness. See that? I didn't even have to be extra with my edges. Ooh, this did it. It was cool at first, but I feel like this is better. There. And what time is it? 10:24. 10 minutes. 10 minutes, Bookie. Oh, that looks so good. Off the shoulder. Everything pulled forward. One side forward. Maybe the other side. It's so nice. And again, this is a half waterway textured wig on my 4C textured hair. Look at the blend, baby. All I did was hot comb my hair earlier, and I used some edge control on my edges. And it's perfect. So I'm gonna take some pictures really quick, how it looks in its natural state, and then I'll be back so we can see what the curls look like. Okay, so again, this is the hair in its natural state. See the texture, really thick. This is 250% density. Gotta love it. So now I will wet this hair it's just water. And then I add a little bit of this Lotta Body. Yeah, this looks really good. Real quick and easy. Let me do this side. Okay, so here's everything defined. Look really good. Leave out still look good. Okay, so I need this to dry a little bit. Alright, so here's the finished look. It's pretty dry. Now, if you really want this style to only take 10 minutes, how it did at first when I just initially first taken it out of the package, you will want to define your curls and then leave your hair to air dry and then put it on your head. So that way your curls are defined, and then when you go to install it, 10 minutes, ready, set, go, you're done. But yeah, up close, here are the curls. They look really good. This is water wave texture. And then with my leave out. And if you see like a little gap, just tug on it and pull it forward. That way it's closer to your leave out and you won't see that gap. See? So yeah. That's all for this video. I want you guys to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this half wig here and go get yours.